To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, Principal CV Gupta Saraswati Vidyapeeth, Mathura Road, Aligarh. Dear students, in the series of tenses, today I am taking your past perfect tense. Let's know Hindi words which are found at the end of sentences in past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, Hindi words चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे are found at the end of sentences. With singular number subject, we use helping verb had. And with plural number also, we use helping verb had. It means only one helping verb had is used with both the numbers singular and plural. One note which is special to be noted. In this tense we use third form of the main verb. And now I am taking 6 sentences. First one positive, second one negative, third one interrogative, fourth one interrogative, fifth one interrogative negative, and sixth one interrogative negative. It means 2 interrogative sentences, 2 interrogative and negative sentences. First sentence. She had completed the work. Positive. She had not completed the work. Negative. Had she completed the work? Interrogative. Why had she completed the work? Interrogative. Had she not completed the work? Interrogative negative. Why had she not completed the work? Interrogative negative. Actually, these are 6 sentences. I am taking 4 more sentences for practice. Radha had spoken the truth. Radha had not spoken the truth. Had Radha spoken the truth? Why had Radha spoken the truth? Had Radha not spoken the truth? Why had Radha not spoken the truth? Next series. She had danced beautifully. She had not danced beautifully. Had she danced beautifully? How had she danced beautifully? Had she not danced beautifully? How had she not danced beautifully? Next series. Raman had done the work. Raman had not done the work. Had Raman done the work? Why had Raman done the work? Had Raman not done the work? Why had Raman not done the work? Next sentence with series. Sita had sung a song. Sita had not sung a song. Had Sita sung a song? Why had Sita sung a song? Had Sita not sung a song? Why had Sita not sung a song? Actually, these are 4 more sentences for practice. Now I am taking your plural number subject. In plural number, again we use helping verb had and plus third form. They had solved the question papers. They had not solved the question papers. Had they solved the question papers? How had they solved the question papers? Had they not solved the question papers? How had they not solved the question papers? Actually, this was the series. First positive, then negative, then interrogative, then again interrogative, then interrogative negative, then again interrogative and negative. Now I am taking 4 more sentences for practice. The gardener had plucked the flowers. The gardener had not plucked the flowers. Had the gardener plucked the flowers? Why had the gardener plucked the flowers? Had the gardener not plucked the flowers? Why had the gardener not plucked the flowers? Next tense. means sentence of this tense. The farmer had watered the fields. The farmer had not watered the fields. Had the farmer watered the fields? Why had the farmer watered the fields? Had the farmer not watered the fields? Why had the farmer not watered the fields? Actually, this is singular number. And again, I am taking plural number. They had drunk milk. They had not drunk milk. Had they drunk milk? Why had they drunk milk? Had they not drunk milk? Why had they not drunk milk? And now again, next sentence. The students had played cricket. The students had not played cricket. Had the students played cricket? Why had the students had played cricket? Had the students not played cricket? Why had the students not played cricket? Next one and last sentence. She had taken the exercise. She had not taken the exercise. Had she taken the exercise? Why had she taken the exercise? Had she not taken the exercise? Why had she not taken the exercise? Actually, this is singular number. I am taking your plural number also. They had taken exercise. They had not taken exercise. Had they taken exercise? Why had they taken exercise? Had they not taken exercise? Why had they not taken exercise? Actually, in last 5 sentences, I have mixed singular and plural both. To tell you means had may be used with singular, had may be used with plural also. So dear students, now we have to listen these sentences and must get perfection in this tense, past perfect tense. I think you have understood and you will practice by listening this video many times. In making this video, Mr. Naveen Basist has cooperated a lot, so I say thanks to him and thanks a lot to you all. Thank you very much.